Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working with Beautyforever hair. This is everything that came in my package. Alright y'all, so forgive me for not knowing the correct specs for this wig, but I do have the exact links and everything like that, all of the specs and details for this wig and the company down in the description box for any of you all that are interested. Alright y'all, so with this install, I actually use glue, lace glue, to apply my wig. And yeah, I did try to bleach my knots on this wig. The knots did not change for me, but that wasn't a problem because the hair color is already light as is, so I really didn't have to do it, but I was just trying to see if I could get them to change. But I wanted to give you all a heads up if that is something that you prefer to do. You prefer your knots to change. I didn't have any luck with the knots changing for me. But yeah, y'all, this install is self-explanatory. I did no baby hairs, so it was an easy install process. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. I want to thank Beautyforever for sending me out this wig. I really appreciate it, and I love y'all so much for watching my videos, and I love y'all so much. I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
looking at me. I can tell by your eyes that you're feeling me. And